front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first just tap on the camera app, now select more icon, and here you will notice timer. So just tap on it once to have 3 seconds delay, twice to have 5 seconds delay, and then if you'd like to turn off timer, click one more time and now it's no longer active. So let me show you how it works. If you will pick, for example, 5 seconds, now you can grab a photo with 5 seconds delay. So at first you will see the 5 seconds countdown and then the picture is taken. Once you switch it off, you will be able to grab a photo in a normal way, so it will be done right after you click. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.